Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about Rork AI, like the complete review, either what is the purpose of it or is it really useful or not. So if you want to open it, just go to rork.com and you can use it. And if you talk about the trust or like the creativity and the things that they really talk about, like build native mobile app fast, Rork build complete cross-platform mobile apps using AI and React Native. So this is basically the purpose. Inside this section you just need to go scroll, you just need to give a prompt of what are you looking for, like what do you want to create. Now there are some below examples as well, like make a visual novel game and make a Airbnb style app, make an Instagram style app. And you can just click on these options, like you will get an idea of what exactly do you want. Otherwise you can just like describe the mobile app, what is the purpose of your mobile app and how, what do you want to get from that app. You can just click on it and continue with Google. You can just make sure to log in with your account as well. And like if you really talk about, like this is not the completely correct like AI which can help you create your sorry, the mobile application. Otherwise, like it has AI, it is not that perfect, but with time it will definitely increase itself. Like there are some of the errors when you create when you try to create the application, but at the end you just get something which is similar like mobile application. And you can just click on the send button and it will start something like that, which is kind of a reference or similar to the things that you're looking for. And if we read about some reviews, like here on the Reddit, there are some people who has posted something like that. As you can see, yes, I managed to build a simple asset management app. I'm a contractor, so I knew what I required. Like this is very important. Like make sure to tell your exact requirements. What do you want with the application? Lots of revisions and asking the AI to make the adjustment, but finally ended up something useful. Now that is also the second step. Like the AI is not that perfect at this stage, but with time it will definitely increase itself, or the coding and everything, the stuff, it will upgrade itself and it will be usable. But right now you just need to do the lot of revision, the lot of coding, so you must know exactly what you're looking for if you want to try this app or use this app. So that is all about the Rork AI. Right now it is in the initial stage, but with time it will definitely become better and prove a powerful AI tool for the audience. So that is all about it.